Hello, welcome to Charlie's How To for Homeowners. I'm Corey with John Stevenson Plumbing, Heating and Air, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out the batteries on a Honeywell T6 thermostat. Okay, so right here we have our Honeywell T6 Pro thermostat. Please disregard where ours is at. You're going to find yours on the wall in a hallway or possibly in a bedroom. The only tools that you're going to need for today's job are two AA batteries. Before we do anything with the thermostat, we want to make sure that the furnace is unplugged from the wall. Once that is done, go ahead and take your Honeywell T6 off the back plate. Take the old batteries out. You're going to want to put your new batteries back in. Reattach it to the base plate that's on the wall. Alright, so once you change out your batteries, your screen should look like this, lit up, ready to program it. Your back screen pops on once you hit a button, and you're ready to go. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching the Charlie's How To for Homeowners. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. We'll get back to you on it. Bye. Hello, I'm Corey with John. Oh, actually, no, scratch it. The Charlie's How To. Okay. Chill, yeah, chill. Okay. How now, brown cow? How now, brown cow? We'll see. Hopefully, we'll see. One take? I doubt. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching the Charlie's How To. The How To for Homeowners. Dude,
I know.
That's so weird.